How to fix not enough RAM error when saving file in Photoshop. FYI, when the RAM fills up, and the 64-bits version of Photoshop can use way more than the 3 GBs that the 32-bits version can, Windows creates a bigger page file on the HD, and competes for room, hence the not enough memory message shows up. Here are some tips that may help not enough RAM Photoshop error. 1. Increase allowed RAM usage by going to Edit Preferences Performance. Then enable the 100% of RAM option. Additionally, follow https://helpx.adobe.com/photoshop/kb/optimize-photoshop-cc-performance.html to optimize your Photoshop performance. Note that you should try freeing up RAM in Photoshop by closing all other images and invoking Edit Purge All. And make way more room on the C drive, or to use a different disk that has more free space. 2. Disable background applications via the misconfig feature. 3. For Windows 10 with April 2018 update, version 1803, users, open Registry Editor, then go to computer /h key _current _user /software /adobe /photoshop elements, locate your own PS version, example 90.0 means Photoshop CC 2015. Create then name the new DWORD, 32-bit, value as override physical memory MB. Then write 2400 into the data and, enable hexadecimal instead. Case study re-PSE 2018, NAB. To the Photoshop Elements key under H key _current _user and click on the version number of elements you're using where 16.0 is PSE 2018, right-click in a blank area over at the right and enter in bit value named override physical memory MB, enter in a decimal value of 8000 for the new value you just created, close Regedit Editor. Start PSEU installed. Up, https://adobe.ly/2lqk3kl error, an integer between 50 and 8 is required Windows 10. Plan B, update your PS and Windows 10. 4. Remove, via Adobe Creative, then reinstall Photoshop later. 5. Update display driver using the official resource.